Are you looking for the best AM5 motherboards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best AM5 motherboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSI X870 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. The MSI X870 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi is a top-tier AM5 motherboard that delivers exceptional performance and features for serious gamers and enthusiasts. Pros: cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN connectivity. Supports latest AMD Ryzen 9000 series processors. Robust power delivery system for overclocking. Cons: requires Windows 11 for Wi-Fi functionality. High-end pricing may not suit budget builds. Limited availability of compatible DDR5 RAM. We've been impressed by the MSI X870 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi's performance in our recent testing. This motherboard stands out with its support for AMD's latest Ryzen 9000 series processors and DDR5 memory. The board's 14+2+1 power delivery system provides stable power, even under heavy overclocking loads. Connectivity is a strong suit for this motherboard. We found the Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN to be blazing fast, offering low-latency connections crucial for competitive gaming. The inclusion of USB 4 and PCIe 5.0 ensures future-proofing for upcoming high-speed devices and graphics cards. The BIOS interface is user-friendly, making overclocking accessible even for newcomers. We appreciated the easy DIY features, which simplified the build process. The extended heatsink and thermal pads kept temperatures in check during our stress tests, ensuring stability during long gaming sessions. Number 2. Gigabyte X870E Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7. We recommend this motherboard for its impressive feature set and future-proof design. Pros: powerful AM5 socket support. Excellent connectivity options. User-friendly features. Cons: premium price point. Limited color options. Potential BIOS update required. We've had the chance to test the Gigabyte X870E Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7, and it's a solid choice for AMD enthusiasts. This motherboard supports the latest AM5 processors, including the Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series. It's built to handle high-performance setups with its 16+2+2 power design. The board's connectivity impressed us. With PCIe 5.0 for M.2 slots and dual USB 4 ports, it's ready for cutting-edge components. We particularly like the front and rear USB-C options, which are increasingly important for modern peripherals. Cooling is a priority with this motherboard. The VRM and M.2 thermal guards kept temperatures in check during our stress tests. For builders, the easy latch features for M.2 and PCIe slots made installation a breeze. We also appreciated the easy debug zone, which simplified troubleshooting. Networking capabilities are top-notch. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 GB LAN ensures fast, reliable connections. DDR5 support with AMD Expo is another plus, allowing for high-speed memory configurations. Gigabyte's 5-year warranty provides peace of mind for long-term use. While the matte black color may not suit all build aesthetics, it's a minor concern given the board's performance. Number 3. Gigabyte X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE. We recommend the Gigabyte X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE for its excellent balance of features, performance, and value in the AM5 motherboard market. Pros: impressive power design. Extensive connectivity options. User-friendly features. Cons: limited color options. Potentially complex BIOS for beginners. Higher price point compared to B650 boards. We recently tested the Gigabyte X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE, and it left a strong impression. The sleek snow-white design caught our eye immediately. It's a refreshing change from the usual black PCBs we often see. The motherboard's 16+2+2 power design handled our AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU with ease. We noticed stable performance even under heavy loads. The VRM and M.2 thermal guards kept temperatures in check during our stress tests. Connectivity is a strong suit of this board. We appreciated the 4 M.2 slots, which gave us plenty of high-speed storage options. The inclusion of PCIe 5.0 and dual USB 4 ports future-proofs the system for upcoming hardware. We found the DIY-friendly features particularly useful. The M.2 EasyLatch and PCIe EasyLatch made component installation a breeze. The Easy Debug Zone helped us troubleshoot quickly during our build process. The onboard Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 GB LAN provided excellent network performance in our tests. We streamed 4K content and transferred large files without any hiccups. While the X870 chipset commands a premium over B650 boards, we believe the extra features justify the cost for enthusiasts and power users. The 5-year warranty also adds peace of mind to the purchase. Number 4. Asus TUF X870 Plus Wi-Fi AM5 Motherboard. We recommend the Asus TUF X870 Plus Wi-Fi for its robust features and future-ready design, making it a solid choice for advanced AI computing and high-performance builds. Pros. Ready for AI computing and AMD Ryzen 9000/8000/7000 processors. Strong power delivery with 16+2+1 power stages. Wi-Fi 7 and dual USB 4 40 gigabits per second ports. Cons. Limited ARGB headers. DDR5 RAM compatibility can be tricky. Lacks error code display for troubleshooting. We've been impressed by the Asus TUF X870 Plus Wi-Fi's performance in our recent builds. The motherboard's 16+2+1 power stages and 8-layer PCB provide excellent stability for overclocking. We found the AI overclocking feature particularly useful, as it simplified the process of pushing our Ryzen 7800X3D to its limits. The board's connectivity options are top-notch. We appreciate the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and dual USB 4 ports, which future-proofs our setup for upcoming high-speed peripherals. The 4 M.2 slots, with 2 supporting PCIe 5.0, gave us plenty of flexibility for storage configurations. However, we did encounter a few hiccups. The DDR5 RAM compatibility can be finicky, so we strongly suggest checking the QVL before purchasing memory. We also wish Asus had included more ARGB headers, as we had to use a separate controller for our RGB setup. Despite these minor issues, we believe the Asus TUF X870 Plus Wi-Fi offers great value for those looking to build a high-performance AM5 system. Number 5. Asus ROG Crosshair X870E Hero. We recommend the Asus ROG Crosshair X870E Hero for enthusiasts seeking a high-end AM5 motherboard with advanced features and robust build quality. Pros. Exceptional power delivery system. Comprehensive cooling solutions. Cutting-edge connectivity options. Cons. Premium price point. Complex BIOS for beginners. Large form factor may limit case options. The ROG Crosshair X870E Hero impresses with its 18+2+2 power stage design. We found this setup delivers rock-solid stability for even the most demanding overclocks. The massive heat sinks kept temperatures in check during our stress tests, ensuring consistent performance. Connectivity is a strong suit of this board. We appreciated the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and dual Ethernet ports. The multiple PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots future-proof our build, allowing for blazing fast storage options. USB 4 ports provide versatility for high-speed peripherals. Asus's AI suite tools simplify complex overclocking processes. We particularly enjoyed the dynamic OC switcher, which automatically adjusts settings based on workload. The Q-Release features for PCIe and M.2 slots made component installation a breeze. While the BIOS offers extensive customization options, new builders might find it overwhelming. we suggest taking time to familiarize yourself with the layout before making adjustments. The board's size may also require careful case selection to ensure proper fit.